Hey friends, hope you're all doing good. Now, ginger paste and garlic paste are the most integral part of Indian cooking, don't you think so? We add them to almost all the curries. So, it's good to use freshly ground paste every day, but sometimes we are short of time and it's not possible, especially when we have guests or for working mothers. They wake up early in the morning, they have to cook lunch, pack lunch boxes for their husbands and children, so it's not possible. For such times, I think it's better to store some. I will show you the way I store mine. I grind the ginger and garlic and store it separately in the freezer, Ziploc bags. I flatten them so that they get frozen into a thin layer. So you can break a small little tiny piece and use it, and the remaining goes back into the freezer again. It's a very easy way, because when you store it in the refrigerator, the color changes after a couple of days. This way, frozen one lasts for a long time. So let's proceed to do that. Take about 200 grams each of ginger and garlic, or as much as you want to freeze. Now in a chopper, add the garlic. I do it separately, I don't mix both. You can even grind it in a mixie, but I like my garlic to be coarsely chopped to a grainy texture. Close the chopper and grind it. Halfway through, you open it and give it a nice stir so that the garlic gets chopped evenly. You can see the garlic is ground so well to a very fine grainy texture. Now remove the contents into a Ziploc bag. When you have the garlic paste handy, it makes it so much easier to cook your dishes, especially when you're short of time. Now close the zip. Flatten it very well with your palm. Now it's ready to go into the freezer. You can label it before freezing. Now repeat the same with the ginger. Peel it, cut it and grind it. Now the garlic is ready for use. Just break a small little piece, as much as you want to use in your curry. And the Ziploc bag goes back into the freezer. You don't have to thaw the entire thing. Ginger paste also is ready, labeled and ready for use. Isn't it very easy way? So friends, you can also follow the same method if you like it.